Hi everyone, my name is Alan Monnox and welcome to my course on building and leading an effective threat modelling program. I'm an IT consultant and author, and I'm particularly pleased to be bringing you this course as threat modelling is one of those trusted techniques that I find myself continually calling upon when working with clients. It doesn't take long to become a convert to the benefits of threat modelling, and I've often been asked by companies how they can get more of their teams to adopt the practices. Well, this course is my opportunity to answer that question. In this course, you are going to learn by example how to set up and operate your own threat modelling program. Some of the major topics we will cover include preparing a compelling business case so you can secure the resources you need to get your program up and running, using a set of founding principles to guide all your decision making, creating an effective program plan structured around the dimensions of people, process and technology, and finally, setting, monitoring and managing key performance indicators so you can track the success of your program. By the end of this course, you'll know how to plan, execute and manage a threat modelling program at scale within your organization. Before beginning this course, you should be familiar with some of the basic concepts of threat modelling, but otherwise, no previous modelling experience is required. I'll hope you'll join me on this journey to learn the great benefits a threat modelling program can deliver with the course Building and Leading an Effective Threat Modelling Program here at Pluralsight.